Why is Caoineadh important in Irish culture? Imagine standing at a funeral, the air thick with emotion, and hearing a voice rise in a raw, heartfelt cry. That's the power of Caoineadh, or Irish lamenting, a tradition that has shaped Irish storytelling and arts for centuries. This practice is more than just singing. It's a way for communities to express grief and honor their loved ones. In Irish culture, Caoineadh was often performed by women, especially older women known as keeners. These women held a respected role, singing or wailing at wakes and gravesides to share their sorrow. Their songs weren't just sad tunes. They praised the deceased, remembered their lives, and comforted those left behind. The words were often improvised, guided by emotion rather than strict rules, making each lament unique and deeply personal. The sound of Caoineadh is unlike any other singing style. It includes cries, repeated phrases, and sometimes sounds that don't from words, creating a raw, emotional atmosphere. Its rhythm is free and unstructured, which makes it feel very authentic and heartfelt. This style is closely linked to sean-nós, a traditional Irish singing form that is still performed today. Caoineadh was also seen as a ritual, believed to help the soul of the departed leave this world peacefully. It provided comfort to families and reinforced community bonds during times of loss. The keeners were paid for their singing, highlighting how important their role was in Irish society. Over the years, especially from the 18th century onward, the practice of Caoineadh became less common. By the middle of the 20th century, it was almost forgotten. Still, its influence remains strong. Many Irish songs about loss, emigration, and longing carry the spirit of Caoineadh. Modern artists sometimes incorporate keening sounds into their music, connecting new audiences with this ancient tradition. For travelers exploring Ireland, understanding Caoineadh offers a window into how Irish people have used music and storytelling to cope with grief and celebrate life. It shows how emotions are shared openly and how songs carry stories of memory and history. When you hear traditional Irish music, you might notice echoes of Caoineadh, reminding you of Ireland's rich storytelling heritage and its deep roots in community and emotion.